Final project presentation made by Cody Labonte for GEB3213. Now, hello, I'd like to say it's very pleasant to meet you all today. I'd like to ask you, have you ever tried to make any change in your life? Has that change come easy, or have you had to make steps and sacrifices to achieve those changes? I'd like to say that growth hurts because change is not easy, and that is why they call it growing pains. Hello, my name is Cody Labonte, and I'd like to say that I've been in this business for multiple years, 10 years to be exact, and I've gone to multiple different restaurants to help them improve their overall operational efficiency and reduce costs and to fix any problems that they may have. Now, Evos is a small restaurant that was originally located in St. Petersburg, Florida, and has since grown to multiple different locations throughout the entire state of Florida. And we know that Evos is committed to providing quality customer service and food. However, over time, Evos, as same with many other restaurants, have come into some problems with food or long lines, accuracy of orders, efficiency, and multiple other things. Now, by making the customer the top priority, they will notice that, and they will respect that we respect their time. Now, the opportunity and current situation here is that there is cost-efficient and effective way to improve problems such as long lines, efficiency, accuracy, and quality control. Ways to gather further information and data would be to collect average wait time during peak business hours. Also, talk to individual consumers who visit the establishment and question them about their positive and negative experiences that they have. Observe how operations are flowing inside the business and kitchen. Formulate and plan how to tackle problems and create solutions to increase productivity and satisfaction. Now, some key success factors here are to provide training for new and current employees in how they can handle situations such as angry customers, wrong food orders, multiple other things. By doing so, we can increase the overall satisfaction that the consumer will have and the employees' satisfaction as well. Now, we don't see things as they are, we see them as we are. So, collectively, we don't see the problems that are happening in EVOS, such as long lines. Now, one thing we can do here is to increase automation in the workplace, which will build a customer-centric model, which will drive sales. This will in turn reduce the amount of lines that we have, reduce the amount of errors, and we will overall increase the customer satisfaction. Now, a lot of these things and changes will be met with worries, fears, anxiety, and multiple other things. However, we are going to implement things in the system which will make it flexible, easy, and robust for employees to adapt to in a timely manner. There will be more resources that can help employees to increase their comfortability with new procedures like pamphlets and other materials which will aid the individuals. This will create confidence amongst employees and will encourage change in the workplace. Now, some alternatives here, which will be the cost of improving the state of the restaurant will be minuscule relative to the loss of revenue from losing customers if problems aren't solved. Implementation of these processes will be relatively simple and easy. Feedback from consumers and quality experience will increase due to problems with the establishment if they are not resolved. Some needs the management owners will require are to set plans, expectations, and results of this process. Now, to increase automation is one of these key alternatives. To increase service efficiency and to revamp the training program. Our strategic option here would be to continue operations as is and then slowly overhaul the operation systems of the business. The training programs for the employees to use will help them be more acclimated to the changes, and the automation will be introduced to the work environment. This will increase the accuracy of orders over the long term, which will increase the satisfaction of consumers. Quality control is ensured by the staff in the kitchen, where they will double check the product to be served. Creating an easy, hassle-free experience goes a long way with the consumer, and by having automated software taking orders will increase customer flow. Now, some benefits to increase automation will be new improvements in technology, which will free up time and space for employees and stakeholders. Another benefit is great customer service. Great customer service inspires customer loyalty and makes it so the employees' jobs are less stressful. Some risks associated with these are very minimal. The only risk would be the upfront cost, however, which is negligible, and the amount of money you would be losing over multiple years if these things were not fixed. Now, some final recommendations would be to make the workplace more efficient and a good environment to work in, better communication amongst employees with consumers, to provide the team with tools needed to work efficiently and cohesively, to be clear about company and stakeholder goals. We need to give customers an outlet to produce feedback on changes to the establishment. We also need to enhance the quality and reduce time for people to go through lines, provide a consistent training for employees, and provide a way for them to give feedback on these changes. And lastly, increase customer retention and generate lifelong consumers. These changes will not happen soon and will be implemented over a period of time. However, they will make a dramatic difference. I would like to say thank you all. I hope you have a great rest of your day.